Next, another reaction intermediate, that is, you see this one, carbene. Let us discuss about the carbenes. Okay, these are the bivalent neutral reaction intermediate with sextet of electrons. That means here with six electrons. So here structure is this is a hydrogen, this is a hydrogen. Here two single electrons. Okay, it's a bivalent. So it can form a two more bonds. But generally carbon can form the four bonds. Already two bonds are there. So two more bonds it can form. That's it is a bivalent neutral reaction intermediate. No charge actually. Okay, this is a methylene carbene. This is a methylene carbene. It is called as methylene carbene. Now here this methylene carbene exists in a two forms actually. Okay, generally carbene exists in a two forms. That is a Singlet carbene. You see two types of carbene. Okay, two types of carbene. The first one is a Singlet carbene. Okay, Singlet carbene. Here Singlet carbene, that is these two electrons are paired electrons. These two electrons are the paired electrons. That means here for the paired electrons that S equals to 0. S equals to 0. That means here multiplicity M equals to 2s plus 1. That equals to 0, here plus 1 equals to 1. Okay, multiplicity M 2s plus 1. Okay, equals to 1. That is a singlet. Okay, two electrons are the paired electrons. Now you see this one, this carbon having 4 electrons generally. But in this case 2 electrons are the paired electrons. That's it. So sp2 hybridization. So sp2 here hydrogen, this is the hydrogen. These are the paired electrons. That means those 2 electrons are present in a single orbital. So sp2 hybridization, there is a V shape. Okay, Singlet carbene, that carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization, that has a V shape. Okay, angular shape. Now second type is triplet carbene. This is triplet carbene. Yeah, triplet carbene means here those 2 electrons are not paired. Okay, that's it. So in this case S equals to plus of and plus of, that equals to 1. That means here multiplicity 2 into 1 plus 1 equals to 3. That's it, is a triplet carbene. Those two electrons are the single electrons, not paired electrons. That means here the carbon has a single electron. So in this case, so here it is actually excited state, carbon in excited state. But in this case here carbon in a ground state. Okay, ground state. So in a ground state, carbene, the Singlet carbene is formed. In a excited state, triplet carbene formation is more feasible. So in this case, sp hybridization, but there are the two orbitals which are unhybridized. So see this one, this carbon. Yeah, sp means here almost it must be linear actually. So here in this case, you see this p orbital single electron, this p orbital single electron. Okay, that is. So here in this case, these electrons are present in two different orbitals, but here electrons are present in one orbital. Now here between these two, which is more stable? Singlet carbene and triplet carbene, which is more stable? Here, see this one. Singlet carbene is less stable than the triplet carbene. Singlet carbene is less stable than the triplet carbene. Why triplet carbene is more stable? You see in this case here, these electrons are present in two different orbitals. But here in this case here, two single electrons, okay, sorry, two electrons are present in one orbital. That means here more electron repulsion. Okay, here in this case, electron repulsion makes that Singlet carbene is very less stable when compared with the triplet carbene. But here, interestingly, see this one. Okay. Yeah. But see this one. In a halocarbon, but in halocarbons, in a halocarbon, that means here for suppose C, Cl and Cl. Okay, here singlet carbon, this is a triplet carbon. The stability is more for the singlet carbon. In case of the halocarbons, singlet carbon is more stable than the triplet carbon. Why? Because here in this case already chlorine having non-bonding electrons, here Cl, this is a Cl. Okay, so here chlorine having non-bonding electrons like this. Okay, here 2 electrons. That's it. But in case of the triplet carbon, you see here Cl, this Cl. Here lone pair, this lone pair, this lone pair. Okay, lone pair. Now here, in this case, 2 different orbitals. Here actually here, the electrons are present in a different orbitals. Okay. So here occupying more space. So already here there are the 3 lone pair of electrons on the each core. So these also occupy more space. That's why here more electron repulsions in this case. But here in this case here, those 2 electrons occupy in a single orbital, so occupy very less space, very less space. So here in this case less electron repulsions, but in this case more electron repulsions. That means here 2 orbitals occupy more space, so causing more electron repulsion. That's why triplet halocarbon is less stable than the singlet carbon. But in case of the simple carbons, triplet carbon is more stable.